Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. You guys, I got this really cute, I'm trying to get this camera together. I got this really cute craft that I just got done doing. This was a request from my Patreon page. The measurements are going to be on the Patreon page. Now, you guys, this is too freaking adorable. Look at that. That is a candy bar. That is a candy bar. Now this one is a label that I created, a template. This is the template that is going to be on my Patreon page. Look at that. You guys, cute, right? And then this one I made myself out of felt and foam. And of course, you know, I added a button. You guys, look at this. This is cute. These are cute. I never thought, and these are two different sizes. I never thought to do these. This was a very cute request. I love it. Like, I like it. So we're going to go ahead and get into making these crafts, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Alright, you guys, for the first one, I'm just going to be using the template that is on my Patreon page. I did cover it with, you know, the clear shipping tape. That's why it's glossy. I'm going to put this one on the big candy bar. This one is size 2.5 ounces. The other one that I'm going to be working with is your standard size candy bar. Okay, so pretty much I'm going to just be eyeballing it and seeing where I want it. And putting the creases in there pretty much. So it's going to be like that. And then that is what the back is going to look like. But of course, I don't want these sticking out, so I'm going to go ahead and tape these flaps down to the sides like that. Okay, so now that my sides are taped, this is what it looks like. You can either leave it like this, or you could put foil on the side. I think foil would be cute. I myself do not have foil, so what I'm going to do is add, cut this down and just fold it over the sides. I'm not going to cover the whole thing. It's just going on the sides, and then I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so from there, this is what it looks like, you know, with the foam on it. So pretty much now this thing is almost done. This is what it's looking, well, scoot it over a little bit, but this is what it's looking like. Now we want to go ahead and attach our chain. So before we add that on, we are going to glue this on. Add some glue, be generous, because this is a chain and it's got to stick. So we're just going to glue this down to both sides, just like that. I hope this stays, like, I hope. Alright, so I got my glue down. Got my chain in place. Alright, let's see. Getting glue everywhere now. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and cover this bad boy up. Oh my gosh, y'all, I can't believe it's working. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and let this dry a little bit. That glue is like, okay. So from here, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some glue to the sides and then just stick that down. Well, shoot, y'all here, y'all can see me. Putting the glue on the actual foam. All right. Now we want to go ahead and and glue the back. So I'm going to put some right here at the where the chains are. And I'm just going to carefully fold it over and glue. Then I'm going to go ahead and glue the back. Alright, and I am just putting tape on the back. That is what it looks like. And you guys, look at that. Super, super freaking adorable. Oh my gosh, that came out so cute. Okay, now we're going to try to do a second way. I was going to go ahead and use some sticky back foam sheets, but I think that is like super easy. So, what am I going to do? Okay, well, first I'm going to go ahead and tape the sides just like I did with the previous one. And then I'm going to go ahead and cover the sides with this gold glitter. And then I will be right back. Okay, so as you can see, I went on ahead and wrapped the sides with the glitter foam. And I went ahead and cut this piece of felt down to the size of the candy bar. And I'm simply going to just wrap it and pretty much just glue it. Yeah, pretty much just glue it. And then I'll be back. Alright, so before I close it all the way, I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on this foam part right here. And of course, you guys already know, I'm going to lay the chain down. I'm going to do the same on this side. We'll get that piece of felt off. Alright, put some glue on there. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and just glue this piece of felt fabric on down. And that is what we have pretty much, but we are not done yet. I want to create a flap. I'm going to use this this glitter. It don't look bad straight actually. I was going to curve it, but you know what? I don't think that looks bad. Okay, so y'all, I'm not measuring nothing as y'all see. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a bend. And now I'm just going to pretty much fold it over just like that. And this has the sticky back, so I'm hoping that's all I need. Let's see. I'll add a little glue to help it, just a little bit. All right. Then I'll add a little bit to the back. You guys, look at that. That's looking super cute. And guess what? You know it wouldn't be complete without a button. So I have this Louis Vuitton button that is already done. I'm going to just go ahead and, let me see. Or should I make this the front? Because this one's a little further down. Yeah, I'm going to make this side the front. And I'm just going to go ahead and add the Louis Vuitton. Should I add it like, let me see what the other one looks like. All right, I'm going to add it, yeah, somewhere in the middle, shoot, somewhere. And there we have it. The little candy bar purse. There we go. If you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. The measurements for this one will be on my Patreon page. You guys, these came out really cute. Oh my gosh.